Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the file open and the ranges picked. Now act. First, press Ctrl+F to open Find for a fast check on the active sheet. If you need to search across non-adjacent cells or several columns, create a helper column that concatenates the cells you want to search using =A2 and B2 or =text join. True, A2, C2. Do this now so the subsequent steps operate on a single searchable column, and you avoid missing values. Once the helper column exists, select it and use Ctrl+F to find instances. Click Options to restrict search to the column and toggle Match Case or match entire cell depending on precision. Alternatively, apply Auto Filter and choose Text Filters contains to list all rows with your term. For automated flags, enter =COUNTIF helper range, asterisk and search term and asterisk, 0 or =isNumber search term, cell to create true/false markers. These to finish, filter on your true markers or use index and small with row to extract matching rows into a report sheet. This creates a dynamic result set you can review. If expected matches are missing, make sure cells don't contain extra spaces, non-printing characters, or mismatched data types. These commonly break fines. If they do, run clean and trim on text or value/number value on numbers, then reapply the search. This quick standardization usually resolves most search failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.